EDK, an innovative engineering company based near Munich, Germany. EDK specializes in developing and manufacturing inductance testers using the pulse measurement principle. The power choke tester DPG series is established worldwide as the standard measurement instrument for the design, production, and quality control of inductive power components. Here are the features of the power choke tester DPG series. Measurement of differential inductance and amplitude inductance as a function of the current. Measurement of flux linkage and magnetic co-energy as a function of the current. Calculation of flux density as a function of the current. DC resistance measurement. With the optional 3-phase extension unit, the power choke tester DPG-10 series is also suitable for 3-phase chokes. The pulse measurement method used by the power choke tester DPG series offers decisive advantages over other methods and can be applied to all types of inductive power components, ranging from small PCB-mounted inductors to reactors weighing several tons in the megavolt-ampere range. Here are the advantages of our power choke tester family. Very wide test current ranges from 0.1 up to 10,000 amps. Simple operation with test results available within seconds. Compact and lightweight design. More realistic measurement results compared to small signal measurement with DC bias, as utilized by LCR meters or network analyzers, as well as to reactance measurement using line voltage. We offer a wide range of models covering different maximum test current levels and pulse energy capabilities. These 7 models cover almost all applications. Today, we demonstrate the test procedure using our power choke tester DPG-10. Inductance testing with a DPG-10 series is straightforward. First, connect the device under test using our Kelvin test leads. Then enter the test parameters. In this case, a maximum test current of 30 amps for the inductor and a test voltage of 150 volts, which is close to the real operating voltage. Start the measurement, and full test results are available after just a few seconds. That's it. Thank you for your attention.
Silent for unique electronics.